It's almost Christmas and I have this beautiful home decor idea to fill your sweetest moments in it. Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima. I brought this cardboard box for a very inexpensive price and decided to flip it in something pretty. I'm painting with cathedral top, just part of the outside of the box, and I think 2 coats will be fine, but that will be depending on your box and paint. Use as much as you need to cover your design if you have one. For my design, I'm using the A4 Decoupage fiber paper named Twinkle Moo and Decoupage gel matte, but shine will be fine as well. Using a foam brush and applying evenly over the part I am placing the paper. I'm wearing nitrile gloves with this gel to prevent my fingers to get extremely sticky. Then applying the paper, helping me with my gloves and a plastic wrap to erase any wrinkle and avoid any bubbles. Once it's completely attached, I am adding another coat of the gel all over the paper. Now that it's completely dry, I'm painting the sides with chalk paste in vintage lace and blue board to pair the paper. First, I'm applying vintage lace and then mixing a very small portion of blue board with vintage lace to get a light blue shade. I'm using decor wax brushes from Redesign with Prima and stapling around the paper and parts of the inside. Then, with a larger brush, I will be blending all the paste and the paper. Now using a fan brush and a small portion of white paint reduced with water, I am sparkling some drops all over the paper, but covering part of the design. Set the box aside to dry. And now start by casting resin to do some ornaments. You will need to mix A and B liquids equal parts and mixing together to forward fill your molds. Make sure to wear gloves, be in a ventilated area, and a flat surface. I'm using ornaments named Frosted Snowflakes Wonders. With a stick, move the resin after pouring your molds, making sure to get into all crevices of the design of your resin. Wait to 5 to 10 minutes to the mold. Using metallic paint dark forest, I'm painting the ornaments, making sure to cover all of them. Wait until they dry and add some decor wax eternal. You can use a brush or your fingers. This product is not toxic at all. These decor waxes are amazing and they will pop all your details of every ornament on this design. Attach your molds as you desire, and for a special touch, I'm adding these pearls and small crystals ready to stick on any project. You may skip this step, but I have these from a dollar store and I wanted to incorporate to the design. And look how pretty is this box now. You can fill it with anything you wanted, but I'm storing all my chocolates. Let me know if you got inspired by this in comments. Please give us a like and a follow and subscribe to our channel today. And see you in another flip.